Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your status on the Google Chat application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the this menu icon that you can find in the left side corner of the screen at the top, and then click on add the status. And here you can either choose from these preset options such as be right back in 30 minutes, commuting, or off sick, or you can also create your own status. And here an emoji has just appeared based on your status edit, but here you can also change it, and you can also select when would you like your status to be deleted. So after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, today, this week, or you can also customize it. So select the date from the calendar and also an exact time. Tap on the button done and click on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating your status. So here you can check it out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.